Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a delicious egg side dish recipe and it is this. So eggs cooked in green masala. I have made it a dry version which can be served as a side dish along with ghee rice, rotis and parathas, or if you are on a weight loss then you can simply relish it as such. Let's get started. Here I've already kept 6 eggs for boiling it until it turns hard boiled. Then for the masala preparation, in a chutney jar I'm adding 1 green chilli, a total of 2 medium sized onions, a sprig of curry leaves, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a teaspoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, and salt as per taste. Now adding 1/4 cup of water, grind this into a coarse paste. Now the green masala is ready, which is coarsely ground. Let me show you. This is perfect. Next, with the eggs, I'm going to apply thin cuts all over it. You can apply it horizontally or vertically, completely your choice. Then in a kadai, I have already heated oil. This is around 60 to 70 ml. Once hot, add a sprig of curry leaves. Then goes in 3 red chilies. These are round red chilies. Add them and let them fry for few seconds. Once the red chilies change their color, time to add the eggs. Now fry the eggs along with a pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of chili powder. So I have fried the eggs for around 30 seconds on low heat. So you can fry the eggs until they get a nice golden yellow crisp color all over. Once they are fried well, add the masala. The flame is still low, give it a good mix, and once it's mixed well, then turn the flame to medium and cook it well. Once it's partially cooked, you will see the oil releasing from the masala. Now stir fry it or fry it for another 1 to 2 minutes until you see the masala beginning to coat over the eggs. Now you can see it in the video that the masala has started to coat over the eggs. Since we have added coconut, the masala is going to get dry very soon. So adding enough water. Here I've added around a handful of water. Now give this a mix. Since I'm making this a little dry version, I have added very less water. But if you want to make it a gravy so that you can serve it with rice, dosas, appams, idiyappams, add another half cup of water. Do remember, since there is coconut in it, the moisture will absorb as it cooks. So adjust accordingly. Add salt if required, and now cook covered for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the oil is all surfaced out. Give this a quick mix, and now this is ready to serve. Let me give you a closer look of this. The aroma of this green masala is divine. Let's serve. Spreading the masala as a base on the plate and then arranging the eggs over it. And here goes our quick eggs in green masala side dish ready to serve along with rice, rotis or chapatis.